Some of the best KDP niches are also some of the most boring. They don't look exciting, they're not flooded with publishers, but they have plenty of demand. So in this video, I'm going to show you several AI-friendly KDP niches with strong demand and relatively low competition. Every niche on this list can be created with AI, and I specifically look for ideas that are simple, practical, and worth researching if you're trying to build a KDP business. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is the how to draw books for kids. Now, this one, I did a search for how to draw books for kids 4 to 6, specifically targeting that age range, and the total results dramatically dropped to 744. So not very competitive here compared to the general how to draw books for kids niche. Now we see a niche score provided by Titans QuickView at a 66. And the Titans Pro analysis says demand is a 5, opportunity here is an 8. Now going through the first page here, you're going to see a ton of demand. So lots of other publishers here, bigger publishers playing in this niche. But you can see right here, independently published, which means this is a KDP book ranked at 1,135. So the royalties here, $17,000 to over $26,000 per month coming from one single book. Now going through more of the first page here, KDP book, and this one right here, KDP book, all doing crazy, insane numbers. This one, $90,000 per month. This one, $80,000 per month. This one, $8,000 per month. More books here. This one, $2,000 per month. This one as well, $2,000 per month. This one right here, $1,400 per month, almost $3,000 per month here. And then this one right here, $400 to $700 per month. Now, taking a look at this #1 bestseller, this is titled How to Draw Anything for Kids, 300 cute step-by-step drawing stuff. Things like amazing food, animals, kawaii, gifts, and other. Now, this one is priced at $12.99, 108 pages. And taking a look at the interior, you can see it's a full black and white interior. And right here is what the book is about. So for example, here is a squirrel, and you have your steps here on how to draw a squirrel. And it's just basically reverse engineered. Now, before, this used to be very difficult to create these books. Now with AI, you can easily create these with just a couple prompts. Now, the next niche is called the cut and paste activity book. Total results here, 716, so not competitive here. Average bestsellers rank on the first page in the 300,000, so you know that there is definitely demand here. With a niche score of 72, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. Now, this is another niche that has a lot of big publishers playing in it, but you're gonna find KDP books here doing well. This one, $500 per month. This one right here, $200 per month. This one, $400 per month. This Scissor Skills Construction Vehicles, anywhere from $600 to almost $1,000 per month. Another one right here, Ocean Friends, $500 per month. This one right here, $700 per month. This one right here, close to $400 per month. Also, this one right here, a cut and paste book featuring animals, $700 to over $1,100 per month in royalties. Now, taking a look at this example, this is the Construction Vehicles Scissor Skills book. You can see it's full color inside, but when we actually get to one of the pages, this one is pretty simple. You have an illustration right here, some dotted lines, and then these areas right here where the child will go ahead and cut this out and put it where it's supposed to go. And if you know AI, whenever I see these smiley faces, I tend to think that these were created by AI, but you can see this book is definitely doing well. This is not one of those standard types of scissor skill books that I usually see. So definitely a lot of potential here. Now, if we take a look at this example, the cover here totally screams AI. I mean, look at the cover here. It's not even formatted correctly. The title is way too high here. It's almost getting cut off. It's leaning to the right, but doesn't really matter because this book is selling well. This is a couple $100s per month in royalties. and you can see a different type of cut and paste activity book where you have your, for example, deer, cut it out, you paste it on here with some glue stick. It's very simple, but very engaging for the customer. And in this case, the customer is a child, so they're not gonna care if you created these books with AI or if you drew them yourself. Now, the next niche is called the monochrome coloring book. This is a niche that's gaining a lot of steam. However, still relatively low on the competition. This one, 1,288 results, average bestsellers rank, very, very low in the 200,000s. Niche score here in 81. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And right away, you have a bestseller right here. And then this one right here is a KDP book, a Gothic and botanical monochrome coloring book. Royalties $2,400 to over $3,600 per month. Now you have another book right here, trippy, cute horror monochrome coloring book, already starting to make sales. This one right here, monochrome botanicals, $3,000 per month. Here's one right here, which is a great sub niche to get into right now since summer is slowly getting to its end, is the Cozy Autumn monochrome coloring book. And this one's already making sales, $100 to $162 per month. This one right here, a monochrome kawaii horror coloring book, $300 per month. And this one, a swear word monochrome coloring book, $1,400 per month. So lots of different paths here within the monochrome coloring book, lots of sub niches here, a lot of potential to create a lot of different types of books that can all sell very, very well. Now, if we take a look at this sub niche, the Cozy Autumn monochrome coloring book, this is a great one to get into right now. And as you can see, the interior is just an outline of the actual illustration, and you have your markings. And in this case, there are X's where the customer will go ahead and color in these areas, leaving the white space behind. And once it's completed, it turns into a full illustration. Here's another one right here. And I've shown how to create these with AI on my channel if you want to go ahead and watch that. I'll also leave some tools down below that you can check out if you want to create this book, as well as some of the other niches on this list. Now, the next niche is called the reverse coloring book. Total results, 1,301, and a niche score here of 57. Demand here is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And we see this book right here is a KDP book, $500 per month. Here's another one right here, $7,000 per month. And then a couple more here, $600 per month, $500 per month, $500 per month. Now, this niche is also called the ink tracing coloring book. For example, this one right here, ink tracing botanicals. This one, $1,100 per month. And then another ink tracing coloring book right here, doing very, very well, $38 to over $5,700 per month. Now, if we look at one of these interiors, there are a few ways to create this. The most popular way is to create it like a watercolor interior. Now, this book is a little bit different because it has the white outline, where then the customer is just going to go ahead and follow that white outline with a black marker or some type of black ink. So for example, right here, you have parts of this which are white, and as they're filling it in with black ink, they get the full illustration. And so this is one way to create this. The other way to create this is with just doodles or watercolor, and just have the customer, in this case, this is a children's book, just use a pen and outline whatever they want. So it really depends on the customer you're trying to attract and how you're going to make this book. Now, the next niche is this 5-minute storybooks for kids. We can see here total results, 1,343. Now, the storybooks category is very, very competitive, has a ton of demand. But if you're going to go with this 5-minute storybooks for kids, the results dramatically drop down. You see the niche score here, 76. Demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. The average bestsellers rank here, very, very low in the 100,000 range. And then you see right away, KDP books, this one, almost $700 per month. This one, $200 per month. And then a lot of other big publishers here as well. But it just goes to show you that these KDP books can show up on the first page, on the first row of some of these search categories. Here's another one, KDP book, $800 per month. And another one right here, this one, $1,100 per month. Now looking at this example, this is titled 5 Minutes to Dreamland Dinosaur Stories. And so here are the 5-minute stories, 13 chapters in total. This one's called Rollo and the Mystery Sound. So here's your illustration. Here is the short story. Here's page 2 of the short story, page 3, and then page 4, as well as page 5 of the story. 6 pages in total for a chapter. And then here is the next chapter, Diddy in the Big Forest. And then you go down, illustration, as well as the story. And then you get onto your next story. So this is something that definitely can be created with AI now. I did just create a video on how to create these storybooks if you want to go ahead and watch that on my channel. So those are some of the boring KDP niches that I'd be researching right now. They're simple, they solve real problems, and they're not getting the same attention as the more obvious niches. I'll leave some tools below that can help you create books in these niches. And if you want help with the full KDP process, grab my free KDP royalty roadmap linked in the description down below. It'll walk you through everything step by step. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.